How do you train a boxer to walk on a leash? Walking your dog on a leash is an essential skill that every pet owner should teach their furry friend. Not only does it ensure their safety, but it also promotes a healthy bond between you and your canine companion. However, training a boxer to walk on a leash can be quite challenging, as they are known for their high energy levels and sometimes stubborn nature. In this video, we will discuss effective techniques and tips to successfully train a boxer to walk on a leash. 1. Start with basic commands. Before you begin leash training, it is crucial to establish a foundation of basic commands like sit and stay. These commands will lay the groundwork for your boxer to understand and follow your instructions during leash training. Consistency is key here. Make sure to reward your boxer with treats and praise when they follow your commands correctly. 2. Choose the right leash and collar/harness. Selecting the appropriate leash and collar or harness is an essential step in leash training. For boxers, a flat collar or front clip harness is recommended. Avoid using choke or prong collars, as they can potentially harm your dog. Ensure that the leash is sturdy and has a comfortable grip for you to hold. 3. Introduce the leash gradually. Some dogs may get scared or anxious when they see a leash for the first time. To prevent this, introduce the leash gradually by leaving it near your boxer's resting area or letting them sniff it. This will help them associate the leash with positive experiences and reduce any fear or resistance they may have towards it. 4. Positive reinforcement. Positive reinforcement is a proven and effective training technique for dogs. Whenever your boxer walks on a leash without pulling or exhibiting undesirable behavior, reward them with treats and praise. Use a high-value treat to capture their attention and make the experience more enjoyable for them. It is essential to reward them immediately after they display the desired behavior, so they can establish a connection between their action and the reward. 5. Start indoors. Start the leash training indoors, preferably in a quiet area with minimal distractions. This will allow your boxer to focus solely on you and the training sessions. Begin by attaching the leash to your boxer's collar or harness and letting them walk around freely. Hold the leash loosely and allow them to explore their surroundings. If they start pulling or tugging, stop and wait until they relax before continuing. Reward them every time they walk calmly beside you. 6. Gradually move outdoors. Once your boxer is comfortable walking on a leash indoors, it's time to move the training outdoors. Start with a familiar and quiet neighborhood or park where there are few distractions. Keep the leash short initially to maintain control, but gradually increase its length as your boxer becomes more proficient. Maintain a consistent pace and encourage them to walk beside you using verbal cues. 7. Training exercises. Incorporating training exercises will help your boxer understand leash manners and remain focused during walks. Teach them to stop, sit, and stay at certain intervals during the walk. This will prevent them from getting overly excited or pulling on the leash. Vary your routes and environments to expose your boxer to different situations and stimuli, which will help them become more adaptable. 8. Be patient and consistent. Training a boxer to walk on a leash requires patience, consistency, and repetition. Rome wasn't built in a day, and neither will your boxer's leash skills improve overnight. Stay calm and positive throughout the training process, even if your dog doesn't catch on as quickly as you'd like. Consistency is key. Practice leash training daily, gradually increasing the duration and complexity of the walks. 9. Seek professional help if needed. If you find that your attempts at leash training are not yielding the desired results, don't hesitate to seek professional help from a certified dog trainer. They can provide personalized guidance and address any specific issues you may encounter during the training process. In conclusion, training a boxer to walk on a leash may require time and effort, but with patience and consistency, you can successfully achieve this skill. Remember to start with basic commands, choose the right equipment, introduce the leash gradually, and use positive reinforcement. With these techniques, your boxer will soon become a well-behaved and enjoyable walking companion.